This may look like a normal gaming chair, but it's not. This is the Arcadeo gaming chair with 10 points of vibration that respond to the screen as you're playing games. It's haptic time, baby. The Arcadeo gaming chair is a connected haptic feedback chair that responds to sounds that your game is outputting. It's all about noise here. Arcadeo uses multi-channel audio, so it's reading higher pitched sounds versus lower pitched sounds, and then putting those in the proper spots in the chair to make your gaming experience more immersive. Since Arcadeo relies on audio, it works with every platform. And not just gaming platforms. You can plug it into your TV, watch Netflix, and this thing will vibrate along with the sounds. The thing that makes Arcadeo's gaming chair a little special in the world of haptic feedback is its 10 points of vibration that are each customizable. There are a lot of vibrating points in the base of this thing, and then there are a few stacked along the back as well. Each one of these points of vibration can respond to the noises that your game is outputting. So sharp sounds of a gunshot, you're gonna feel that probably in your back. If you hear a bass of an explosion, you're probably gonna feel it in your bass. I tried out Arcadeo's gaming chair at CES, and I played a few rounds of Battlefield. This thing definitely vibrates. Every gunshot, every explosion, every time a little bit of blood splattered on my screen, I definitely felt it in the chair, mostly actually in the base. But that's probably because I was sitting up a little bit. My back was not touching the actual back of this chair, and that's because it's the big version. The Arcadeo gaming chair comes in a smaller size too, and hopefully in that one, I'd be able to feel the vibrations in my back a little better. Arcadeo is a 2-year-old company out of France, and right now they're at CES looking for funding to help them ship this thing later this year. So the Arcadeo gaming chair is due to come out in September, and they're looking at about $800 for the price point. In terms of gaming chairs, that's actually not too shabby. We'll be at CES 2020 all week, so keep it tuned to Engadget.com.